How to edit selfies using FaceApp. Want to transform your selfie with just a few taps? Here's how to edit your selfies using FaceApp. Fast, fun, and powered by AI. For this, first launch the FaceApp app on your device. Now select a clear selfie from your gallery. Make sure your face is well lit and forward facing for the best results. Now the fun begins. Scroll to the filter options at the bottom of the screen and try out features like smile, makeup, hair colors, eyes, glasses, backgrounds, and more. You can add a natural smile by drawing on the smiles features. Tap on the smile and you can use the classic one. Now once the filter is applied, tap on apply. Now you can change the hair color. Tap on hair colors. You can add blonde or black. You can adjust it like this. In mere blonde, can tap on apply. You can add makeup like this. Add it. Once you add it, tap apply. You can change your skin. You can add freckles like this and tap on apply. Now each effect is applied instantly with FaceApp's smart AI for realistic transformation like this. Okay, once you are done, tap on apply and then tap on save to download the photo to your gallery. Or you can directly share it in your Facebook or Instagram by tapping on the share button at the top right corner. And that's how you edit your selfies like a pro using FaceApp. Quick, creative, and totally addictive. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and comment below which edit did you try first.